garbage can.
Hey guys.
You don't know.
Yeah, the garbage can in case you don't know. We're here at Parc Omega at Trout Lake. One of the first of many garbage can. One of the many first videos. I'm having good grammars today. That we're gonna be doing here at Parc Omega. It's a great place over in Quebec. A bit farther away from where we live, but you know, we enjoy the daily trip. I'm just trying to give you a surround picture of how pretty it is here. Ugh. It's tiring walking uphill while holding a camera aiming at something. Jeez. I wonder what that trail is. There's a beautiful totem pole. Look at that. Sorry if the sun's kind of in the way. Not my fault. Look at the, yeah. You guys can see the waterfall. There it is. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water while I'm doing this. If any fish will come. Yeah, the boardwalk.
Hiding under the boardwalk.
Yeah, that's where the food will work best. So yeah, this is my first vlog ever. Oh, this boardwalk is very floaty. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop videoing now, and I'll see you at the other side of the boardwalk. Okay? See you guys then. Hey guys, we're over on the other side of that scary boardwalk. This is the view of the lake. Oh, look at that. There's the waterfall right there. In front of it is this beautiful, what's it called? Mom, what's this called? Oh yeah, an Inukshuk. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. Beautiful. Look at this. The wildlife here, and the nature and all that here is absolutely beautiful. And there's no actual wild animals, but you know. Oh, sunlight. Look at this. These rocks are soaked. I don't know how they got soaked like this. It hasn't rained for a bit. But, you know. This is writing the nation decree. The nation decree. Yeah. My little brother's getting in trouble. Hey. Oh, something moved up in that tree. Yeah, I'm coming. So yeah guys, how are you? Good? Good. Sorry I haven't been doing much YouTube lately. I hope this will tie you guys over. Another thing, the nation Atamaki, I think. Another Anukshuk. What's this plate on it? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's really cool. I know, I'm coming! Just gotta stretch my arm. I'm switching hands. Just for a second. Sorry. Yeah. Another totem pole. Very cool. Where's the camera? I've lost the camera. Another thing. Oh, Mohawk Nation. I learned about all these things in history. There we go. That feels better. Yeah. What is it? Oh, that's cool. That's very cool. The lake. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The city is... If you guys know what any of this is, what any of these are, just please tell me. Another Anukshuk with a fish and a paw on it. Interesting. Oh, jeez. No wonder all these vloggers get muscles. My arm's already hurting. That's very cool. Abenakis. I don't know how to say it. A bird and a frog print, it looks like. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, if I see anything else interesting, I'll be sure to record it and just add it to the end of this clip. Oh, this is very beautiful. Never mind, I'm not ending right now. This is too beautiful. And you? I think that's how you say it. And look at this. This is all natural. Well, the Anukshuks and all that aren't natural, but anything else is. What does this one say? Bird and a fish. If you know what any of these carvings are, please tell me. Please feel free to comment in the comments or like my Facebook page on Facebook, of course. It's COTBVV Sports Team, as usual. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna end it out here. It's a view of the lake. And I'll see you at some more interesting places. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A person and a turtle. Not a frog. Okay, so see you guys later. Goodbye.